Hey guys, it's Matt Grandy with Dyeco. How's everyone doing? Hey, we are looking at a Walter IceCut 250p mag base drill. In a previous video, I had mentioned that this machine has forward and reverse on the motor, and what that was beneficial for was power tapping. I wanted to make a short video on showing you guys how to do that. Did a practice hole there, you can see to the right of the bit, but basically that's what this video is going to be. Just being able to show you that you can punch out a hole, not move the base of the drill. You know, you can do this, it's portable obviously, you don't need a drill press. You got a mag base drill, move it wherever you want it, drill the hole, switch out your, loosen your chuck, put in a tap, and then feed that tap right into the same hole that you just drilled and put threads in it. So that's what this video is going to be. Let's get to the chase. Nice one there. I had the RPMs turned down on the motor up here. So that was, we just punched a 31/64 inch diameter hole, and we were using a 9/16 by, I think it's 12, a 9/16 12 tap. Okay. Now, this is just me thinking. I'm not a machinist by any means. But one, we're going to turn this at low RPMs. Two, we are going to tighten this tap in this chuck because it's a bigger diameter tap. If I was using a small diameter tap, say something like 1/4 inch, I probably would let this a little bit loose. That way, if it would grab, it would slip here. This bigger chuck should be able to, or this bigger tap should be able to take a little bit more. But so RPMs are key. So we're going to turn this down. I'm going to turn it down to 100 RPM. I am going to lube this bit. Sorry, I keep calling it a bit. I'm going to lube this tap. And all I'm going to do is feed this down. It's going to grab. As it's cutting, it's going to pull itself down. Once I get to the bottom of the hole, or as far as I want to go, I turn the motor off and then I reverse the motor. And that's the advantage of this setup. You can reverse the motor for power tapping. So let's see how this works. Bugger. Tap, my chuck was loose. Thought I just tightened it. Didn't you guys just watch me tighten that? Let's turn her back on and see if she bites. Alright, we're through. Let's see it feeding. I'm going to turn it off. Simple as that. Then I'm going to hit the reverse and it's going to come out. No hand. I'm going to help it at the end a little bit. You have your tapped hole. So if you guys are interested in checking out the Walter IceCut 350, or I'm sorry, 250p. They do make a 350, I believe. Give us a call at Dyeco. Stop by the shop. We can do a demo there. We can come to you, and we'll go from there. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking us out. Check out Walter Products. Check out Dyeco. Love to help you guys out. Have a good day.